This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite trades here is Tesla. Now remember, the earnings are coming out on the 24th. That would be Wednesday after the close. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, we have Tesla, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, what do we have here? You can see the downtrend that we're in. When you get below that 8 SMA here, it's just going to keep on going down and down and down. So let's just see where we are. Now, you take the bottom of this candle, you're looking at 207.56. So what we want to do here for your support levels is just go to the left of your chart. Looking at 206.68, 205.69. And then what we do is we come to these candles here. You're looking at, what do we got? 204.88. We have 202.51. Then we can come all the way down to this level right here, which is basically 194.07. So if you put your price channel, just click that on, see 194.07, that's on your weekly chart. That is going to be very key support level. Now, if that is lost, then we have to look basically here to the left chart here, and you can see, look at here, look at your low, 178.22. You follow it right down, 164.35. We have 158.83. You got 152.37. And then you could follow this all the way down. Your big retest here is 101.81. Now, this is the big sell-off that was going on. That's when he was buying the old Twitter action. And this is, he was taking a sell in the stock, and this was what would happen. Now, when you look back, you look at 414.50. So you have a high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high. What do we have here? See, you have a high, and we have a lower high, lower high, lower high. You have pretty much the same kind of a pattern going on here as we had over here. So we have to always keep that in mind. So realistically, if it sells down, we need to watch that 194.07, that retest. Now, I've been scalping this short here for a long time on this with the TSLA. It's an easy way to trade it on the short side. So let's just say, hey, they have good numbers and people are excited and blah, blah, blah. Where is it going to go? Well, we want to look to the top of this candle here at 313.19. And then we want to look at this 8 SMA, 218.64. That's going to be very, very crucial. It needs to get above that. If it can, then we can start aiming for these 231.76s. You have a long way to go, but see how your 21-day here is rolled over. You're below now your 100-day, your 50-day. You're headed towards your 200-day, and this 8-day is just an absolute waterfall. So you have to be very, very careful with this on the long side. So when we look at this 200 SMA here, you're looking at 219.32, very, very crucial. And then right above it, we have your 50-day, 224.98, and then we have your 8 SMA above that at 234.57. So if it gets some juice, then we just want to watch these key SMAs here to see exactly where she will land. But the crucial one is going to be this 8 SMA here. This needs to be reversed. See how where it came all the way down and then it reversed? See, once that price gets above, then she can go and she can ride it on. But once it gets below, then you're fighting this all the way down. So basically what you need to do is watch this 194.07. If that is lost here, then we can come to all these candles all the way down, and it could work yourself all the way back to a retest of 101.81. Not sure how that's all going to shake out just yet. But again, on the upside, you always want to watch that 8 SMA. If we can climb above, then we can start looking for these resistant levels here at the 231.76, 236, and work ourselves back up here where we can get this 8-day reversed. Right now, I have no position in this. I am on the short side a little bit with the TSLA. I don't have too many shares. I got like 5,000 shares, so it's really a whole lot of nothing. But if you can scalp that daily, you can make some money off of that. The key is now, with their price cuts, they've been really doing all the price cuts. They want to get the market share, but and dominate on that. But they've had a lot of issues, especially when that cold weather hit in Chicago. You couldn't get these Teslas charged. You couldn't get it around. There's people not going to forget this. And a lot of time on these rentals, like hurts. They're getting rid of a huge portion of all these Teslas, plus the maintenance on these cars, the insurance on these cars. It's really, really high. And the whole setup right now, I don't think it's really, to go like a cross country trip on this whole system. Now, I'm a big fan of Musk, don't get me wrong. So I'm never gonna bet against it. But realistically, his stock, the short, has been working really, really well. So until we get back above this 8 SMA here, and then turn this around, we have to, really, really give it some thought here on this. Could go a lot lower. So basically, you want to watch that 194.07. That is going to be very, very crucial here. When I big this all up here, that's this candle right here. This is what you really want to watch here on a closing basis. If you can hold that, you could get a possible double bottom and you could rip up. If that's lost, you can work yourself all the way on down. All right, that's what I got for you on the old Tesla. Thanks for watching.